Hi, welcome to Aadhan Food and Travel. I'm Shalini. We're living in times today where sustainable life choices are not merely just a trend but a necessity. One such choice is the Eat Cup or the completely edible cup. Where you take a beverage, drink it, and literally eat the cup after. Genome Labs in Hyderabad has started distributing these cups. Let's go talk to them and know more about this. We're here today at Genome Labs to talk to Mr. Ashok Kumar Desu, the Executive Director, about their most recent invention, the edible cup. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, why a cup that is edible?
So first I have to tell you the background, how the world is facing the problem today because of the plastic. Plastic is a beautiful product. I mean, it is excellent invention, 1907 it was invented for the first time in the world by one Belgian American. After that, it has become so popular because it is so cheap, so durable, and it can be molded into any shape. So that's why it has become so popular. So till 1950, we didn't recognize the ill effects of plastic. Then 1960 onwards, people started realizing the bad effects of plastic. The plastic, I'll give you a simple example. One cup of this size, to degrade, it will take around 50 years. One beverage plastic bottle will take 400 years to get degraded. One disposable nappy will take 450 years. One fishing line will take 600 years. So that is the kind of, so the plastic will get divided into small pieces over a period of time, and it gets into soil, it makes soil infertile. So then the crops yields will get affected, and it affects waterways, it chokes waterways. There will be breeding centers for mosquitoes, which are, then they spread malaria and other diseases, and they choke ocean. And ocean, every year 2 million animals die. Then in ocean, via fish, it comes to the dining table, we consume. So our body, our blood and tissues contain a lot of plastic. Plastic is so dangerous. It releases a lot of toxic chemicals, so which are very detrimental to human health. So a lot of, it not only to marine animals, not only to fish, but also to humans, carcinogenic, digestive problems, and also lot of plastic is not recycled or reused. Only 9% of the plastic is recycled. 91% remains. So when some plastic is burnt, when it is burnt, it will release poisonous gases, which is very dangerous. Every year, 180 million tons of plastic is produced in the world. So coming back to the simple subject, like cups, 600 billion cups are used every year. And every minute we are consuming 2 million cups to take coffee, tea, or any other beverage. So it is so dangerous, to the entire world, and it is a global menace actually. So lot of measures have to be taken. A lot of awareness has to be created. Plastic has to be removed. Plastic has to be recycled. Plastic has to be replaced. This is one of the small measures. Our principals, Cupfee Limited, is a company based in Bulgaria. They have invented this product. This is completely degradable, disposable, and very handy, very extremely useful.
So, what exactly is the speciality of this cup?
This is an excellent invention by one company, Cupfee Limited, Bulgaria. After extensive research, this has been invented. This is completely made of cereals. Very, very healthy cup, You take a coffee, tea, any beverage, anything, even ice cream, cold one or hot one, anything you can take in this cup. It will stand both thermal and moisture. There is no glazing or coating inside the cup. So it will not change the taste of the beverage, whatever you are taking. Whether it's coffee, tea or anything, it doesn't alter the taste of the beverage. This is one great point. This will not get soggy for about 40 minutes. So it will remain crispy, crunchy, and it is very delicious, very, very tasty. And other thing, this has got lot of fiber. So very good for digestive system. It will not leak for about 12 hours. And 12 hours it will not leak, whatever you pour. Then it will withstand 85 degrees Celsius. And it is also, if you see, there is a holder. So it maintains hygienic this thing. It separates from the surface. So it is very, very clean. So this is the greatest advantage. Well designed, well invented, very healthy, nutritious, very delicious. And one more thing, you take coffee or tea or anything, take it and then eat it. Enjoy the snack. It will serve as a snack, breakfast or evening snack. So even if you don't take it also, even if you leave just like that, it will be degraded, within few days of time. So it will not harm the nature.
So is this reusable?
No, it is not reusable. It is not all reusable. You have to consume it or you have to leave it completely. So because of usage of this, there are a lot of advantages. The main advantage is you will be saving the trees. Every year you can save around 2.4 million trees, and you can save energy, and a lot of litter will not be there, and you will also you will also prevent the water from getting polluted. So many advantages, and the entire process of manufacturing this by our principals Cupfee is environmental friendly. So it protects the environment. This is the greatest invention, and every person should use this to save the environment and to enjoy the coffee or tea or any beverage.
So now that you say it is for the environment that you did this, we also get a lot of earthenware. We have a lot of other substitutes to plastic. Why an edible cup in particular? Why not any other substitute to plastic?
Yeah, it's a very good question. One is, this is, by other cups, you have to cut trees and all that. You are spoiling the environment. Here, it's completely nutritious. It is from cereals. It's made from cereals. It's very healthy. That's the basic this thing, And there is a lot of nutrition deficiency every human being is facing. So this will take care of that problem.
A lot of people these days are educated on the negative effects of plastic, and people are following a sustainable lifestyle and things like that. I'm sure in most of the metropolitan cities, people will come forward to use the edible cups and other substitutes for plastic. What's your strategy to educate people that are not living in such urbanized areas? How will you reach out to a larger crowd?
Definitely, ma'am. If you recall, around 15 years back or 18 years back, when mobile was introduced, the incoming call charges were around 16 rupees in India. So now you see the change, revolutionary change. What is the usage of mobile in this country? 75 crore mobiles are being used in this country. So the awareness has grown. So definitely, it is our social responsibility to make it known to every citizen of this country. Initially, we are importing from our principals Cupfee, Bulgaria. Of course, there are some logistic issues, price, supply, and other factors. Maybe when numbers grow over a period of time, we will find out the ways to reduce the cost and to make it reach, every village, every end user.
So right now these are being imported from Bulgaria. Do you plan on manufacturing them over here soon?
Yeah, at the moment we are importing completely from Cupfee Limited, Bulgaria, and it will continue. We are associated with them as marketing partners. Maybe in future we will work out some strategy to get it done here with their cooperation.
So that was the Eat Cup, guys. I drank in it, I ate it. I hope you all get to eat it soon too.